Yo, what's up guys, it's Active Flows bringing you guys active PS3 gaming opening recruitment challenge. Let's get right into it. Start off with editors and designers. For all you editors and GFX designers, all the information will be down below to contact us via Twitter or YouTube. We'll get back to you. For players, for feeders, all Call of Duties, PS3 only. Keep that in mind, PS3 only. Clantag, AGF, quads and over. Can be split once or twice as long as the kill chain is rapid. No edited responses. Video title must include hashtag active ORC. For Trickshotters, all CODs also. PS3 only. Clantag AGT 720s or better. No edited responses, no setups, no Barrel Suffs. Video title must include hashtag active ORC. My name is Active Flows. Catch you guys later.